Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this delicious creamy garlic chicken. Here I'm adding a tablespoon of lemon juice to my 4 chicken thighs. For my seasoning, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of dried thyme. A teaspoon of garlic powder. 1½ teaspoons of rosemary. 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. And 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. My hands are clean and I'm just going to go in there and give that a good mix, making sure all the thighs are coated with the seasoning, and I'll leave that to marinate for at least 1 hour. Here I'm just finely chopping half an onion. So here I'm peeling 5 cloves of garlic. So to a heavy bottom pan, I'll add 1 tablespoon of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Once my butter's melted, I'll start frying my pieces of chicken. So I'm just frying the chicken under a medium heat, and I've also preheated the oven. So I'll just carry on frying the chicken until the chicken is cooked right through and the juices run clear. How long this takes depends on how thick the chicken pieces are. So now that the chicken is cooked right the way through, I'm going to transfer the chicken to a tray and into the oven. In the same pan, I'll start frying the onions. After a few minutes, the onions are soft, and I'll add the 5 cloves of chopped garlic. So I'll just fry the garlic for a few minutes under a very low heat. I don't want the garlic to burn. Now I'm going to pour 300 milliliters of double cream. Now I'll just season with some salt, a pinch of rosemary, some thyme and parsley. Now that the sauce is seasoned, I'll take the chicken from the oven and add it to the sauce. I'm just going to coat all the pieces of chicken with my creamy garlic sauce. Once the sauce is warmed, I'll remove it from the heat. And there it is, delicious creamy garlic chicken, so quick and easy. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.